Need to log out of Prime Video on a smart TV, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you 2 ways to sign out of your Prime Video account on a smart TV. Now let's get started. To log out of Prime Video on your smart TV, open the Prime Video app to the home screen. Then hit the left arrow button on your remote. In the menu on the left, select Settings. Click the middle button or OK on your remote to select this option. Go all the way to the bottom of the menu and select Sign Out. Hit the right arrow on your remote and select Sign Out. To confirm, select OK. You will then be signed out of Prime Video on your TV and can sign into another account if you like. If you aren't able to use these instructions, or even if you don't have access to the TV you had signed into Prime Video on, you can still remove your account from the TV on the Prime Video website. Go to primevideo.com on your computer or smartphone and log in to your account. Then click your profile icon and select Account and Settings. At the top, select Devices. Next to the name of the TV you want to log out of Prime Video on, click Sign Out. Click Sign Out in the pop-up to confirm. This will remove access to your Prime Video account on that TV. That's all it takes to log out of Prime Video on a smart TV. For more helpful Amazon tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Amazon tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.